Hello and welcome back. I'm going to continue the Marian antiphons that I've read for you two so far, out of the same book, which is the Liber Pisado Kemen, written in 1980 by the Diocese of Trel. It's an Anglican book, and in the back of it, on page 42-43, they have all four Marian antiphons. And so far for you, I have read Alma Redemptoris Regina Kyny, and today I'm going to read you in Cornish Salve Regina. So, yep, it's probably the longest one, I would say, apart from maybe Alma Redemptoris Mater. Yes, it's the third Marian antiphon I'm going to read you. I think it's actually the fourth in the cycle, though, so I haven't done them strictly in order. I'll keep it short and I will read it out to you in Cornish. As usual, the description box will have the translation and the English in it. And if I can, I might put a link to the music too, so you can hear what the actual tune might sound like, because these are typically sung, being an antiphon. You can hear it, but I'm going to just keep the meter as I can have it in the Cornish as it's translated. Okay, here it goes. Salve Regina. Myghternes Hayl dhys, Wosa'n whyr trueth, Bewnans whekter, Agan gwaytyans, Hayl dhyso, warnas, fleghes dyvresow, Hanasa dhyso-jy or kyny or oth, nans dagrow-ma raghenna, Agan pledyeres-ny, Trel wor'tu-ma Trel warnas dheulagas mercyabel, Hayl dyvroeth-ma Wosa'n dyvroeth-ma dhyn-nyny, rasis trueth, Marian. There you go, there you have it. That's it. Nothing more from me, that's it. Have you all. Hope you have a good day.